Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a mirror shake edit on CapCut browser. So I'm just going to sort of go to the part, like the transition part of the video. So let me just play it. So around here. So I'm just going to select it, press split, go to animation and select shake 1. Oh wait, not on the first clip, on the second clip. So make sure you do that first. Then go to effects, go to basic. I already have it favorited, which is the mirror one, and press the plus button unlike the other clips. So make sure the first clip isn't mirrored and then this one mirrored. And then going to make the duration a little bit smaller, press copy and press paste, and then you're going to put it on another part of the clip so it gets mirrored. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit again. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!